Hi, today I have a message called Whichever Guide You Choose. The one guide to follow is within everyone and everything. By within, we mean in the true nature of, or in the beingness. The same one guide is here and present as the true nature of everyone and everything. This leaves you with nothing to fight and nothing to question. It is okay to be at rest, ready to be moved by that which moves you easily and without effort. What you call upon within everyone and everything is what guides you. Make sure you always call upon what is truly gentle and loving, truly powerful. This presence is everywhere. You need only tune in. Ask for the very same thing to spring forth from everyone and everything, and it does. There are no actual barriers to it. Rest here for a while. There are no actual barriers to the goodness that you are, the goodness without opposite that is present within and as everyone and everything. Your job is to allow it to extend. This is very much a together thing that we're doing here. When you call upon what is real, you call upon what is within all together. When you call for the unison of all beings, you allow all beings to respond as one. No, you don't know the specific forms this will take. This is where trust comes in. Without egos advising you about what you need to get, achieve, and avoid, whatever comes is perfect. When you don't feel good, you are oriented toward fulfilling ego ideals in what you call your life. This is entirely unnecessary. Think of it. Judgment needs the concept of ideals. Judgment needs something to praise and something to condemn. You need neither. You don't need ideals when you have a perfect beingness that you share with all eternally. Your guide, whichever one you choose, causes the perception of personality and strife, or personality as conduit for beingness. Your feeling always tells you whether you have chosen strife or beingness, and you can always reorient toward what is real and powerful in all. We speak of power and we remind you that it is you. It is always all you call other, and nothing will ever change this. Okay, thanks for listening.